Hello, people. How are my peeps today? Day 9. You know what I realized as I'm doing this? What am I going to do for 11 and 12? Because I've only got 10 fingers. Anyways, it is day 9. So going backwards, we got our lovely 2 rolls of twine, which is, again, I'm going to guess white and misty and white and flamingo, but at some point maybe we'll find out. We got our label dies, our puffy stickers, our masks, our it's like the 12 Days of Christmas. I'm trying to do the song. Um, 5 plastic masks, 4 golden labels. Maybe by the end of the time I'll get it. Our embellishments, our DSP, our dies, and our stamp set. And we are up to day number 9. Ooh, day number 9 is a big box. Oh, and it's on the right side for me to be able to use my nail to just, oops, that one's popping open already because we already opened that one, to run it down. You know what it's amazing how I'm just realizing things as I go. I can only do it when it's on this side, and I'm thinking it's because I'm right-handed, but the weird thing is I'm using my left hand, so how does that work? Okay, number 9. Ready? Ooh! Oh, wait a minute. Oh, they're just bigger. I was like, how is that working? Ephemera. Oh my goodness, but there's some big card. Oh, you guys. You guys. This is going to be fun. It's funny, sometimes you get to see like the details the next day, and sometimes you get to see it. I like it when it's stuff I can show you right away. Just what do I do with my white card base? That's all I've been using so far is this white card base. Okay, so we have, oh you guys, oh my god, and this blue and white is so pretty. Yeah, see, this makes me think flirty when I see this. So this is similar to the DSP. Oh, look at these. Oh, they're like the Memories of More cards, some of them. It's a great day. Oh, wait a minute. These are actually both double-sided. Wish You Were Here. That one's photo, or oh my god, one of my favorite color combinations is blue, white, and yellow. And this one with a bit of old olive leaves. Oh god, I love that. So this is like, you want an idea on how to make your cards. Like, just follow some of the things they did in here. Oh, I think, see, that one feels to me like it should go that way. Oh, this one is super pretty too. So yeah, a couple of them have writing on them. They're all double-sided. Excuse me. Ooh, that one speaks to me. Oh, and then there's more of those little bows. Okay, so what did I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 12 of the, these would be 2 by 3, I think is what they are, right? Oh, 3 by 4. Ooh, so these are more like die cuts than, because I think, oh no, maybe, they are definitely the same size as Memories of Mars. I think I was just thinking of the wrong size. So yes, 12 of the 3 by 4 cards. And then a schwack of ephemera. Minute. Can't get them out of the package. So you know, with the masks and trying to do stuff, here's more hints. So we have some little flowers. This is, I wish I could think of what flower this is. But that's what the masking will do. Oh, another one of the little bows. So we'll try to, I'm trying to see, I'm going to kind of keep some of these separate. So there's lots of florals in here, but don't forget there's rainbows, and somehow they keep putting cherries and things, because these match the little puffy stickers. Oh, look at that. Tweety bird. And a butterfly. Oh, another bow. But yeah, there's the cupcakes and the rainbows and stuff too. So, strawberry, that's also one of the puffy stickers. Some leaves. I got a bunch of little leaves. Got another little banner. I'm running out of room. Ooh, look at that little pretty dude. Look at that one. Oops, knock things over. And then a tag and a label that have nice little backgrounds on them. So number 9, ephemera and M&M cards. That was a good haul. Let's see what day 10 brings us. See you tomorrow.